In today's video, I will walk you through how to reset your Xero Demo Company. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the name of your current business displayed there. This is the starting point for accessing your account and organization options. Click on your business name to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to your organizations and account management. From the list that appears, look for the option labeled My Xero and click on it. After selecting My Xero, you'll be taken to a page that displays the businesses and organizations you've created or currently manage within Xero. Take a moment to let the page load completely so you can see the full list available in your account. Once you're viewing the list of businesses, look beneath the organizations until you find the hyperlink labeled Reset. This is the option you'll use to reset your demo company. When you've located the reset link, click on it to begin the reset process. Selecting this option clears the existing trial data from your demo company, so you can start again with a fresh demonstration environment. Before continuing, make sure you're ready to reset the demo company. The reset process removes the data currently stored in the demonstration environment, so only proceed when you're certain you want to start over. If you're ready, continue with the reset by selecting the Reset option. Once the process begins, Xero will clear the existing demo company information and prepare a fresh version for you to use. After the reset has finished, your demo company will be available again with a new set of sample data. From there, you can continue exploring the available features and practice using the different areas of Xero without working with your previous demo information. If you need to repeat the process later, you can return to the same location by clicking your business name, selecting My Xero, finding the list of organizations, and choosing the reset link again whenever you want to begin with a fresh demo company. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.